Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing the Decode Disable Error, a comprehensive guide. The Decode Disable Error, also sometimes referred to as audio decode error, is a common problem encountered when playing audio or video files, particularly with codecs that require hardware acceleration or specific software implementations. This error essentially means that your system is unable to decode the audio or video stream, leading to no sound, distorted visuals, or the playback stopping altogether. This guide will break down the causes of this error, how to diagnose it, and offer detailed solutions with code examples where applicable. We'll cover a wide range of scenarios and platforms to give you a robust understanding of how to resolve this frustrating issue. Understanding the root causes. The decode disable error can stem from various factors. Here's a breakdown of the most common culprits. 1. Missing or corrupted codecs ***. Definition ***codecs, compressor/decompressor, are software algorithms that encode and decode audio and video data. They are essential for converting digital media files into a playable format and vice